of the Wayne County Public Library, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these super cute little book page apples. Now for this we're going to need a book that you don't mind getting cut up, so no library books please. We're also going to need a red marker and red and green paper. All right, so the first thing we're going to need to do, like I mentioned, is find a book that we don't mind getting beat up a little bit. So we happened to have a book, and unfortunately the spine had broke here in the library, so it was going to get recycled. And I've removed the cover, and as you can see, I've made a couple of these. We're going to, along the glued spine, cut the shape of half of an apple. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I've made my apple pattern. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this out. Set that aside. So if you do happen to have, pages coming apart, I do a little bit right here, or, your spine isn't as glued as well as this one, you can run a hot glue gun just down the side and let it dry, and it's going to stiffen it up. All right. Now we're going to take our red marker, or of course, you can make a green apple or a yellow apple, and we are going to color the edge. Be warned, you may get marker all over yourself. All right. Next, we're going to take our red paper, open up your apple, and trace your apple shape. Now, I like to do mine just a tad bigger, and that lets you get that little bit of red peeking out because we're going to glue these together. And then go ahead and cut this out. If you are a messy penciler, just flip it over to the other side for the next step so we don't see pencil marks. All right. So I've got a glue stick. You could use that hot glue gun again, and I'm just going to glue both sides down onto my red apple. Side one. And here's side two. And next, what we want to do is cut out a little green leaf. I've already made quite a few of these. And we just need to eyeball what a little leaf would look like. And I'm going to take my glue and essentially just tuck it in over here. Now to get that nice fanned look, you're going to have to go page by page. Open them up, kind of crease them down. And voila, it's super cute, and they can be made really quickly. Now, I mentioned that this could be a magnet if you want. It's also a great decoration. We're going to be using them for one of our book displays coming up here in the library. But if you did want it to become a magnet, you would just flip it over, of course, and then use something like a hot glue gun or a stronger glue to affix a magnet to the back, and you'll be golden, like a golden delicious. All right, thank you for joining me.